Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar initially struck a high of 78.82 yesterday after the release of a more upbeat local unemployment figure. The announcement revealed that 19,800 jobs were created last month, with the unemployment rate also dropping by 5.5 to 5.6. So with the 5.5 number, it's putting up a little bit of a spice to the bullish case. However, the Aussie did slip back on the Chinese data that was released yesterday, with the Chinese economy grew by 6.8 on an annual rate, with retail sales expanding nearly 9%. So from the initial fall, demand has lurked from around that 78 figure 25 area, and currently the market is attempting to stage a further rise. You can see from the technical implications it's not overly bullish, so I do expect to see any attempts towards the top side either from 85 or up towards 79.15.25 as a potential sell zone, and it's viewed that the market will eventually sell off and pose a threat towards 78.25 with 77.80 to 77.20 beneath. After flirting around the 118 handle yesterday, the euro has gathered further momentum and rallied on to challenge the 118.50 level. At the moment it's still holding after printing a high of 52. The dollar index is still remaining above 93, and at this stage I still expect to see further weakness to return to the euro, with the immediate target seen at 117.90 and down to 117.25.35. At this point, I'd like to see how strong this level is at 118.5. If it does break, we could see short-term stops, but not to sustain. So it is a little bit tricky. The reason behind I don't feel the market will sustain is the indicators are still quite flat. So therefore, we should see any advances to foul. Well, the dollar yen case did turn away from that 113 handle after printing a high overnight of 113.13. In the US, the economy news, the US unemployment claims plunged by 222k, well below the estimate of 240. And there was also good news as the Philly Fed manufacturing index jumped to 27.9, crushing the estimate of 21.9. However, the dollar was a little bit weaker. So from the retreat, and as you recall yesterday, I was long from 111.60 and I was looking to get out around 113. I felt there was going to be a pullback, and we've got exactly that. I'm still a buyer on strategy as terms of buying on the dip and looking towards eventually claiming the top side 113.25 to 30 and beyond. Minor resistance at the moment is seen at 112.85. Now the weakness may get back towards a support around 112.25, but I'm a buyer from this region, as I suggest that we should get a further rise. Well, sterling slipped, but still holding above 131.20. At present, the technicals are a little bit concerning. Now, if we fail to hold above 131.20, then I'll be looking for a further down test to 130.65 and reassess from there. A break above 131.85, however, would give further scope to the upside and look towards 132.40.45. Gold, very bullish overnight. After rebounding off the support of 1,276, the market rallied $14 in the last 12 to 48 hours to a high of 1,290, which is the 91 being the high this morning. Just getting onto this resistance, I see further scope to the upside with a view of 97 to 99, or even back to the highs that we saw recently around 1,305 to 6 and reassess from there. Still a buyer on dips towards 82 or 76. To wrap up with oil, the three dojis were concerning me, and also the technical implications also concern me. Now with 51.5 taken out, I expect to see further weakness to West Texas and could see a move towards 50.80 per barrel or down towards 49.60 and reassess from there. Market's still got a lot of work to do the upside, but with these indicators in play, I'll be very surprised if the market can sustain. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day and an excellent weekend that's about to commence.